So in the wizard, we're going to select, of course, our language is English. We go say continue. And then it says, welcome to WordPress. Because before getting started, you will need to know the following items. We need a database name, a database username, database password, and a database host. And a table prefix if you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database. So we need to have this ready. So how do we get this? What we do, we go to Laragon and we click on the database icon, and it will open phpMyAdmin that I had told you to install earlier on. So the username is usually root and the password is blank, so we say login. So we have this interface. This is what we call phpMyAdmin. In the local, you can create a database here and configure everything about your database. So when you go to the live ones, we will actually get to know that you cannot actually create a database on the phpMyAdmin dashboard. So we can only do this on the local. So let's say new. We call our database new. Let us just call it DB. That's how I usually love naming them. And I say create. So automatically in the local one, every database you create, it comes with a user root and a password of blank. And that is what we are going to use for now, because the admin of the default user can control that database. So let us go to our setup configuration and say, let's go. So our database name is DB. Our username is root. Our password is blank. Our database host is localhost. You leave it as that. This one is blank. So it's localhost. You leave it as that. And our table prefix by default, it comes as WP underscore. So you say submit and it says, all right, Sparky. So it simply means that it has connected to your database. So what we're going to do, we are going actually to run the database, the installation and our files into the database. So we say run the installation, and we need this information. We need our site title. Our site title, we can put my new website. A username we can have is admin. Never use admin. Never use admin. Actually, for good practice, let me not use that. I can say my username is Siloma. I just use my name. And my password is Siloma Web hyphen 001. Use a very good password. You can see this is medium. You need a very strong password to log in. So let us try another strong password, Silama at 2025. Let me just do that. Okay. So that works. So let me just copy my password. And then I can have my email here. I can say siloma@test.com. Okay. So search engine visibility, don't pick this unless you don't really want the website to be seen online, because Google will not index your website. Then you say install WordPress. And that is how you install WordPress on your website. So when we go now to WordPress.test, you can see this is how our website looks like.